It is hard to imagine a cycling accessory that is more essential, affordable, or portable than the bike multi-tool. There are many bike multi-tools with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best bike multi-tools from top brands. These products can help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Probike Multitools. The Probike tool offers great value in a compact multi-tool with a range of functions to cover most needs. Its slim, sleek, compact design and carrying case make it easy to tuck into a saddlebag or fit very comfortably against your back in a jersey pocket, and its chromed steel construction feels strong and smooth in hand. The 20-in-1 has a decidedly polished look and feel, with 20 total functions that fold down into a super slim and compact form that is very lightweight at just 118 grams. The small storage sleeve also does a great job of keeping the tool tidy when not in use, so the bits aren't flipping open or snagging on other things in your pockets or pack. It covers all the common functions necessary for most mid-ride fixes and adjustments, including a chain tool, hex keys between 2 and 8 mm, T25 and T30 Torx bits, and Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. One nice touch: each tool has its size stamped on the side, which helps in quickly selecting the right tool for the job. Number 2. Blackburn Switch Wrap Toolkit. Take a good look at the Blackburn Switch Wrap tool. Is designed to hold everything that most cyclists will stash in a separate saddlebag, or throw in a fanny pack: a spare inner tube, 1 or 2 tire levers, a couple of CO2 canisters, and a CO2 inflator. And you could probably fit a few more things inside. Bonus: the wrap is designed to be attached snugly either under your saddle or on a frame tube, saving you from either carrying weight on your back or needing to buy a saddlebag altogether. Though the wrap design makes it a little more time-consuming to deploy the tools, the Switch Wrap comes with a solid selection for most trail or roadside fixes and adjustments. While not a traditional, fold-out multi-tool, the kit includes multiple dual-headed bits that fit into a handle that functions either as a T or L-shaped grip, as well as a bit extender. Number 3. Woto Bike Repair Toolkit. The Woto Bike Repair Toolkit is a cyclist's dream come true, offering an impressive array of tools in a compact, portable package. Crafted from corrosion-resistant vanadium steel, this 21-in-1 multi-tool is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use and high torque applications. At the heart of this kit is a comprehensive selection of Allen keys, star-type Allen keys, and flat wrenches, complemented by specialized tools like spoke gauges and screwdrivers. This versatility ensures that riders can tackle a wide range of repairs and adjustments on the go, from minor tweaks to more substantial fixes. One standout feature is the inclusion of a glueless puncture kit, complete with 6 self-adhesive patches and a metal rasp. This thoughtful addition allows cyclists to quickly address flat tires without the mess and hassle of traditional repair methods. Number 4. Blackburn Wayside Multitools. The Blackburn Wayside feels like it was designed and built by off-road cyclists who know not only what tools you'll need but how you'll use them. The range of 7 hex tool sizes is impressive, but what stands out for us is that 5 of them are removable and have ball ends, which means they're much easier to fit into and use in hard-to-reach spaces. The beefy 8 mm hex key attached to the tool also works as a mini breaker bar, or extender, that the smaller, detachable hex keys fit into for added leverage. The rest of the Wayside is similar to other multi-tools with tools that fold out, including 6 and 8 mm hex keys, T25 and T30 Torx bits, a flathead screwdriver, a chain tool, and even a long-ish serrated knife blade. The chain tool has integrated 0, 1, and 2 spoke wrenches and a press-to-valve core removal tool. Number 5. Wolf Tooth Multi-Tools. When you are miles from nowhere and are depending on a multi-tool to get back on the road or trail, you'll be glad you packed the Wolf Tooth 8-bit kit too. The kit includes 3 stackable multi-tools held together by magnets, providing 26 functions that cover just about any repair that doesn't require a bike shop. The 8-bit pack pliers are the backbone of the kit, with 17 functions on its own. These Master Link pliers have 8 attachments magnetically nested inside the handles that fit into an 8 mm swivel head on the end. Either stacked together or separately, its 3 multi-tools feel solid in hand and have long, ergonomically designed handles that offer excellent grip and leverage. It's fairly long but well contained to keep its size quite reasonable for the tools available, and it's shockingly lightweight at just 172 grams. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.